Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. So in this video, we'll show you the coordinated geometry exercise 7.3, the second question. Right now, the question is: in each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Right? You need to find the value of k for the given the coordinate points. You're having two problems here, children. Here you need to find the value of k in the both problem. So which the points are collinear, right? Before solving the problem, let me just recall you people. This collinear based problem that you have solved in the distance problem, the 7.1 exercise, right? Now what is meant by collinear? Collinear is nothing but if the 3 points lies in a straight line, means that is called as the collinear points, right? So this you have solved in the exercise 7.1 distance based problems, right? Now let me call this point as A, B, C. In there, how you have solved means you have wrote the one of the condition, that is if you want to say these 3 points are collinear, means you need to verify this condition, nothing but AB plus BC should be equals to AC, right? If this condition has been satisfied, means then you can say these points are collinear points, right? Now here just observe, you are solving the problems based on an area of a triangle, right? So if the area comes out to be a 0, it means the 3 points are collinear. So if the area comes out to be a 0, then it means the 3 points are collinear. They lie in a straight line and do not form a triangle, right children? So therefore we can say the area of a triangle will be 0 at a collinear points, right? So because you can't because what is meant by collinear is nothing but if the 3 points lies in a straight line, right? So therefore you can't verify this condition to this, right? So therefore you can say the area of a triangle will be 0 for the collinear points, right? So therefore I can write area of triangle formed by 3 collinear points, 3 collinear points is 0, right children? So therefore area of a triangle will be 0 if the triangles are formed by the 3 collinear points, right? So therefore I can write area of triangle, let me take ABC here. ABC is equals to how much? 0, right children? Now by using this condition, find the value of k for the first one. Afterwards we will find the value of k. Now so let me write, let a of, they have given the coordinates, right? So a of 7 comma minus 2, b of 5 comma 1, and c of 3 comma k are the points, are the coordinates points, right, of the triangle ABC. Now as usual, write down the first one as x1 y1 x2 y2 and this as x3 y3, and by using the area of a triangle formula and also by this condition find the value of k children, right? So I'll write the condition again. So therefore area of triangle ABC is equals to 0, because area of a triangle formed by 3 collinear points will be 0. Okay, now what is the area of a triangle formula, right? Area of a triangle formula will be half into, as usual I have given a hint for you people, right? So write down first one as x y y and next x y y x, y, y. This is the hint that I have given for you people, right? So that's equals to 0. Now write down here first bracket, here also bracket, right? Here minus, minus, minus. I'm writing the formula, childrens, and I have given the hint, right? So by that hint I'm writing the formula. Okay, so afterwards write down here plus, here also write down plus. Now write down the numbers as usual. First you need to write 1, 2, 3. Afterwards 1, 2, 3. Next 2, 3, 1. So 2, 3, here 1. Okay. Next 3, 1, 2. So therefore 3, 1, 2. Right. Now this is the formula. Okay. Now you have the values, you have the formula, and you have the condition. Right, for the collinear. So now apply the values to this formula and simplify it and find the value of k. Okay, children. So therefore half into x1. Now what is the value of x1? x1 is nothing but 7 into here y2. y2 is 1 minus y3. y3 is k plus x2. x2 is how much, children? x2 here 5 into y3. y3 is k minus y1. y1 is minus of minus 2 because sign is there, no? So therefore minus of minus 2. Now here plus x3. x3 is how much? x3 is 3 into y1. y1 is how much? y1 is minus 2 minus y312. y2 is how much? Here y2 is 1, right? Now is equals to 0. Okay, now simplify this. Now if you send half to the right hand side, means it will become 0 into 1 by 2. So if any number is multiplied by 0 is nothing but 0, so therefore it will be 0, right? Now whatever remaining here, you need to simplify that. Okay, children. Now here just multiple, here k is there, variable is there, so therefore multiple 7 to this binomial. Okay, now 7 into 1 is 7. Okay, minus 7 into k is 7k, right? Here plus here minus is there, so therefore I'll keep the 5 as it is. I'll simplify this. Afterwards I will multiply it by 5. Okay, now k as usual, minus into minus will be plus 2. Okay, plus now here 3 into minus will be plus, so therefore you need to add. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and also sign of a biggest number, so therefore 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, children. Now children, as usual I have already told you people, you need to subtract first y2 minus y3, afterwards you need to multiply it by x1. Here also like that, here also like that. Okay, that only I am doing here. Okay, now 7 minus 7k plus, now multiple 5 to this k plus 2. Now 5 into k, 5k plus 5 2s are 10 plus, sorry, so here you need to multiple, right? So first multiple the number, 3 3s are 9, plus into minus is minus, is equals to how much? 0. Okay, now here just observe, 7 is a number, 10 is a number, 9 is a number. Here 7k is a variable, 5k is a variable. Just add or subtract the same variable, and add or subtract the constant or numbers, right? Now here 7 is there, 7 I'll write neatly. Okay, I'll interchange this. So minus 7k plus 5k. I wrote the variables first. Now plus 7, as usual I'm writing the same, whatever the symbol it consists of, that the same thing I'm writing, but I'm interchanging. Okay, plus 10 minus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, now minus into plus will be minus, so therefore you need to subtract it. Okay, subtract. So when k minus 5k is, it's 2k, and also sign of a biggest number. So sign of a biggest number is biggest number is 7 and sign is minus, so therefore minus 2k. Okay, now here plus into plus is plus, 7 plus 10 is 17, 17 minus 9. So 17 minus 9 is how much? It's 8. Okay, so nothing but I'll write first 7 plus 10 is 17 minus 9 is equals to 0. Now minus 2k here, plus and minus is minus, now subtract it. Okay, so 17 minus 9 is 8, plus 8 is equal to 0 because sign of a biggest number. Okay, now send the plus 8 to the right hand side. So therefore minus 2k will be there as well, is equals to plus 8 will become minus 8. Okay, now you need the value of k, right? Now here minus minus get cancelled. Now you need the value of k. Now just send the 2 to the right hand side. It's multiplication, 2 into k. So nothing but multiplication is there. If you send to the right hand side means it will become divide. So therefore k is equals to 8 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So therefore what is the value of k? The k value is 4. Right children? So this is how we'll solve the problem based on collinear. So one thing you need to remember children, that if suppose if they ask the question based on like this collinear based problem means, you need to write down area of a triangle ABC is equals to 0. That is a condition that you need to remember and you need to write. Okay, now we have solved for the first one. Now we need to solve for the second one. Now we will solve the second one. Now the second problem is they have given the coordinates 8, 1, k, minus 4 and 2, minus 5. Right? Now let me write, let a of 8, 1, b of k, minus 4 and c of 2, minus 5 are the coordinate points or vertices of a triangle, right? Of a triangle ABC. Okay. Now, as per the condition, area of triangle formed by 3 collinear points will be 0. Right, will be 0. So therefore I can write directly, therefore area of triangle. So this is the another coordinate points for the another ABC triangle I'm taking. Okay, so therefore area of a triangle ABC is equal to how much? 0. Okay, so now as usual write down the points. As the first one as here, I'll write the first one as x1, y1, this one as x2, y2, and this one as x3, y3. Okay, now just apply the formula. So area for triangle formula. What is the area for triangle formula? So half into x, y, y, x, y, y, and x, y, y, right, is equals to how much? 0. Okay, now bracket. So I'm saying again and again to to remember how to remember this for you people. I'm saying, okay, so here minus, here plus, and here plus. Therefore here first 1, 2, 3 here, next is 2, 3, 1, afterwards 3, 1, 2. Okay, now you have the values, you have the formula, you have the condition, just apply the values. So therefore half into, now what is the value of x1? Here x1 is 8 into y2. Here y2 is minus 4, so therefore minus 4 minus y3 is minus 5, so therefore minus of minus 5. So plus x2 is k into, okay, now here y3 is how much? Minus 5, so minus y1 is 1 plus, now x3 is 2, into y1. y1 is 1 minus y2 is minus 4. So minus of minus 4 is equals to how much? 0. Okay, now simplify this. So as usual, so I'll write here half into, now if two symbols are there means just keep the first one as it is and just open the bracket first. So 8, now keep the minus 4 as it is, minus into minus will be plus 5 plus k. Now here you can multiple, you can add or you can subtract. So minus into minus will plus, so therefore you need to add. 5 plus 1 is 6, sign of a biggest number is minus 6. So next plus 2, keep the 1 as it is, minus into minus will be plus 4 is equals to how much? 0. Okay, now if you send the half to the actual half to the right hand side means it will become 0. Now I'll not write the half, so I'll write the remaining one. Okay, now here 8 into minus into plus is minus, so therefore you need to subtract. Minus and plus is minus, you need to subtract. So 5 minus 4 is 1, sign of a biggest number plus, so therefore plus 1. Okay, now here plus into minus is minus, 6 into k is 6k. You are able to multiple, 6 into k is 6k, plus into minus is minus. Now plus 2 into 1 plus 4 is 5 is equals to 0. Okay, now 8 on the 8 minus 6k plus 8 on the 8 minus 6k, 5 to the 10 is equals to 0. Okay children, now just observe here. Here only one variable is there. Here you are having a constant, the numbers 8 and 10. So therefore plus is there, so therefore you need to add. So 10 plus 8 is 18. So therefore 18 minus 6k is equals to 0. Now send minus 6k to the right hand side. Okay, here like this. So therefore 18 will remain as usual, is equals to, if you send minus 6k to the right hand side means it will become plus 6k. So therefore 6k. Okay, I'll interchange this. So therefore 6k is equals to 18. Now I need the value of k. So therefore k is equals to 18 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 3s are, the answer is 3. So therefore what is the value of k? The k value is 3, right? And this is the second problem, and this is how we'll solve the problem, and it's an important problem children. So you need to understand the problem, and you need to write down the condition correctly, and you need to apply the formula and apply the values, and you need to simplify it, and you need to find the value of k. And here you need to write down the area of a triangle ABC is equals to 0, right? So this condition you need to take, because area of a triangle formed by 3 collinear points will be 0, right? And thank you.